Hi, Jeannie Me. Thank you so much. Is that your real name ba? Thank you, Jeannie Me. Didi Franco. When day only enjoyment. Tama ba yung lyrics ko? Franks, alam mo ba nakakalungkot kasi hindi kami nakapagala. Gumala man kami saglit lang, bili lang ng food tapos dumaan lang ng SM Baguio, bumili na lang ako ng towel. Hindi talaga yung gala, like gala sa Burnham Park. Hi, Gemini. Grabe dala. Hindi, baby pa. I saw you in Gaisano, Davao nung missile ka. Na-starstruck kami sa'yo, sobrang puti mo. Oh my God! Gaisano, Davao. Guys, I think it's Gaisano Buangin. Thank you, baby. I don't think na super puti ko nun. But thank you for appreciating. Thoughts on joining a P-pop group? His plan. And his will. Do you see yourself high profile or low ones? I always remind myself and I always see myself to stay on the ground and just a normal person. And just being me. And I don't really say that I'm high or what. Lalo na pagdating sa iba, because I don't compare myself to others. I'm not higher than anyone because I don't compare myself to others. Or like, I don't think that I'm that attracted. So I can't really say na I'm high profile kasi I can't really say. Na nakaka-attract ako sa public. Grabe glow up. Grabe nun din naman. Grabe kayo. Thank you. Sa makeup lang yan guys. Naka-makeup kasi ako. Artist na gusto mo maka-work? Ang dami. Siyempre, sino bang hindi gugustuhin na maka-work ang isang Miss Catherine Bernardo? Sino ba? Siya ang reyna noon, reyna ngayon at reyna ng panghabang buhay pagdating sa acting sa generation niya. The thing is, pag normal yung pag medyo malaki yung cheeks ko sa personal, mas ganun kalaki siya sa TV. So, kailangan talagang alam mo, lalo na pag nakikita ka sa screen, dapat alam mo talaga yung limits mo. Kasi minsan mapagbiro eh. Like, akala mo tama lang yung weight mo, pero pagdating sa screen, lumaki yung braso mo, ganyan. But for me, nire-remind ko naman sarili ko na as long as I love my body, I don't have to think what people are gonna say. Are you a celebrity? I'm just a normal human being. Lips care. Opo, Carmex. Yung bigay ni Ate Mina sa akin. Yung bigay niya ni Ate Mina and then petroleum jelly. Pero lately, yung in other words, you're a down-to-earth person or consider yourself as one, aren't you? I don't really think so because I feel like the people that surround me and the people know me are gonna be the one to say that. Should be the one to say that, I guess. Uy, ubo ng ubo ah. Sorry na. Surprise! Stay hydrated. Yeah, isa din yun. Kasi, super nag-dry yung skin ko dun sa atok. Grabe. Drink water also kasi sa ubo ko. Alam niyo ba guys, na wala na to. Wala na to for me. I mean, super thankful na ako kasi ganito na yung situation ko. Unlike dun sa situation ko na nag-atok ako. Grabe. Pero super alaga kami dun talaga ng prod, lalo na ng safety officer namin. Like, minsan kasi matigas ulo ko eh. Minsan kasi hindi na ako nagpapapayong. Eh sila SO, sabi na, ang kulit na bata, sabing magpapayong ka. Eh ako naman, ayoko na magpapayong kasi ayoko nang pinapayungan ako. Eh marami din akong dala, so palang kung ako naman magpayong sa sarili ko, matatagalan din kasi yun nga, sa sobrang lakas ng hangin, parang Ate Max, 18 years old na ba si Paolo? 17 pa si Paolo, di ba? Health ang i-priority mo, Day. Kaya nga. Basta, kasi baka ma-spoil yung vlog. Charot. Aside sa movie, baka ma-spoil ko yung mga bagay-bagay eh. My Insta, hebait mo sobra. Thank you, Jenny Me. Do you show up on the big screen? You know what I mean. I'm currently shooting a movie that's gonna be aired in a big screen soon. So I hope you can watch it. Gusto ako balik sa Top Cruise. Kanas ba? Maybe, hopefully, this year. Max, do you want me to send you food? Wag na. Just save your money. Lahat sila mga ka-close ko, pero like pinakaunang naging ka-close ko. Ay, hindi agad pinakauna eh, kasi ang nakilala ko sila Gab. Sa girls parang si Gab yung una talaga, kasi nga, so yung parang feeling ko pinaka, at the end of the day parang sa titif. Kasi ano, yung mga times na by partner na yung nasa loob. By partner. Kami yung partner. Every hour, every minute, every second. You know, night after night, I'll be loving you right. Hanapin mo, Frank. Sige na, please. AJ, excuse me. AJ, thank you po. I hope I can meet you someday. No, PUBG hindi. Yeah, it's like a dry cough. And I feel like I just need to drink lots of water. And parang biglaan kasing, parang nabigla yung katawan ko kasi super lamig doon. So na parang nasanay siya. And then biglang mainit, like super init. So parang yun, hindi ko alam. You joined the Pinoy Big Brother in 2005, didn't you? Sorry sa boses ko. I joined PBB last year. Latest season. Guys, I think I need to say bye-bye already. Oh, who won? Our big winner is my baby Angie Salvacion. The gorgeous, smart, humble, kind Angie. Guys, I think I need to say bye-bye na. Good for her, yes. She deserves it. No name temporarily. Bye-bye. Bye, everyone. Don't worry, guys. I'm gonna take my meds. Hindi pa ako matutulog. But I need to say bye-bye na. Love you. Excuse me. Wait, I want to sing a song for you guys.